Hey there, Scott again with Rendall Certified Cleaning Services. You've just had your upholstery clean and now you want to know how to take care of it. Very, very simple. Let it completely dry. By the time we leave, it's generally dry. Sometimes it might take a couple hours after we're done. In that first drying, if that last bit of drying phase, it's critical that you make sure that you don't sit on it with things that are colored, like blue jeans, red shirts, anything that might transfer color from your clothing to the fiber itself. We don't really see that much because we do get it dried before we leave for the most part. Try to keep pets and kids off of it as well until it's completely dry. If you do have a spill, if it's synthetic, then you can use a product like Stain Fu on it, which is our proprietary cleaning product that's made for any synthetic fiber. You just put it onto a towel and you blot it up. So if you got a spill, a dog has gone to your, dog or cat has gone on your upholstery after our cleaning, then you can just put it on a white towel, make sure it's always white, blot it up, and then if you have to, like if it's soaked down a little bit, you can always put a weight on that towel, stack them up like 4 or 5 towels deep, and then put like a book on it so that it can continue to raise that stuff that's soaked down into your fibers. And that's really it. Vacuum is a critical process no matter what, even if it's been cleaned 10 years ago or 1 year ago. Vacuuming your upholstery is actually more critical than even vacuuming your carpet. And the reason why is because oftentimes the fibers are so small that they're able to hide soil a lot easier than your carpeting. So that soil builds up in there, and sometimes you'll smack it like that and you'll see a big puff come out. It's time to vacuum, all right? Now I'm not saying wait till that moment, but let's say you vacuum it once every week just along with your carpeting. Do a quick once over with it with your attachment, and that should take care of it for the next week. If you have to wait longer than that, I would go no longer than a month between vacuuming your upholstery. If you have any other questions about maintaining your newly cleaned upholstery from us, let us know and we'll be glad to help. Thanks.